Hi, hello guys, this is Simran Solar here. New mechanic iBGA Max by HK Mechanic Company China and distributed by ATI Micro Soldering Tools in Sri Lanka. Thanks to ATI Micro Soldering Tools for distributing this awesome tool iBGA Max in Sri Lanka. Before talking too much, let's unbox iBGA Max. Here we go. iBGA Max by Mechanic for tin planting mid-level motherboards from 10s, 10s Max, 11 and 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. This is an awesome tool for rebuilding mid-layer motherboards. Alright guys, if you are using this product already, you can comment your opinion down, and for those who want to buy this product by mechanics, you can contact ATI Micro Soldering Tools in Sri Lanka. So I have given the link on description. You can contact our Facebook and buy this new product. Be in touch for more review tools by HK Mechanic Company China, and tools which are distributing by ATI Micro Soldering tools in Sri Lanka. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you won't miss any other tool reviews. Alright guys, let's hope to see you on next video. So I'm signing off. This is Imran Solar. Bye guys.